Welcome to the Gym Explainer. Today, we are diving right into a topic that is absolutely critical for anyone in the fitness industry: funding. We're going to be walking you through a fantastic white paper by jthomas from Fitness Management and Consulting. Our whole goal here is to give you some real, actionable insights.
So who is this for? Well, if you're a gym owner, an operator, a manager, a salesperson, a gym entrepreneur, or a personal trainer, yeah, you're in exactly the right place. Whether you're dreaming of starting, trying to scale up, or maybe even acquiring another business, this is for you.
And hey, for you folks out there looking to open a new gym, buy an existing one, or you just need some working capital, the solutions we're about to cover can provide funding options all the way up to $500,000. And the key thing here? It's unsecured, with zero restrictions on how you use it. You can check it all out at fmconsulting.net, but stick with us because we're going to break down exactly how it all works.
Okay, so let's get right to the heart of the matter, the big challenge. As jthomas points out in his guide, passion and a great idea are of course essential, but capital is the fuel that turns that vision into a real, lasting business.
And that's the million-dollar question, isn't it? It's not just about finding any money. It's about finding the right kind of funding, the kind of capital that's flexible and can move at the speed of your business, not at the speed of a slow, traditional bank.
So, what's the solution here? Let's get into it. The guide highlights a program that was literally designed for entrepreneurs just like you, people who need a powerful but still really straightforward way to get things done.
And we're not talking about small potatoes here. This is significant capital we're talking about. The program offers anywhere from $50,000 all the way up to a cool $500,000, which makes it a fantastic option no matter what stage your gym is in.
Okay, let's break this chart down because the details are really what matter. You can see the loan amounts right there. You've got flexible 5 or 7-year terms to make your payments manageable. And look at this, funding in as little as 7 to 10 business days. That is fast. The requirements are also super clear. A 680 minimum credit score, at least $50K in income, and a debt-to-income ratio under 40%.
So what does this all really mean for a gym owner? Well, the bottom line is that these features are a direct answer to the real-world headaches you face every day. Speed is everything when that perfect location opens up, right? And having flexible terms helps you manage your cash flow so you can actually focus on growing the business. And because there are zero restrictions on how you use the money, the possibilities are huge. Need to totally renovate the locker rooms? Go for it. Want to buy that brand new functional training rig everyone's talking about? Done. Or maybe you need to launch a massive marketing campaign. You can put this capital to work right away.
Okay, so you're probably thinking, this sounds great, but how do I actually qualify? The good news is, the path to getting this funding is a lot more straightforward than you might think, especially when you compare it to all the hoops you have to jump through with old-school bank loans. jthomas really breaks this down into 4 simple, clear-cut steps. Step 1, check your credit. Make sure you've got a 680 or higher across all 3 bureaus. Step 2, verify your income. You need to show at least $50,000 in adjusted gross income on your tax docs. Step 3, calculate your DTI, your debt-to-income ratio, and make sure it's below 40%. And once you've done that, step 4 is just to apply, and you can get a pre-qualification decision often within just 24 hours. Now, I know what some of you are thinking. It's a super common question, especially for first-time entrepreneurs. What if I can't quite meet all those criteria on my own? Well, the good news is that's not necessarily a deal breaker. The guide has a really powerful strategy for this exact situation.
And the solution is bringing on a cosigner. Now, this isn't just a fallback plan, it's a really smart strategic move. A strong cosigner, whether it's a business partner, a family member, a trusted friend, can not only help you get approved, but they can often unlock even better interest rates and higher funding limits. It can turn a potential roadblock into a massive opportunity.
So, while this term loan program is a fantastic cornerstone solution, it's always smart to know what else is in the toolbox, right? Different situations sometimes call for different tools.
Think of this as your financial toolkit. Each one has a specific job. For instance, equipment financing is perfect for spreading out the cost of all those new treadmills. Working capital loans, they're designed to cover short-term stuff like payroll during a slow season. And SBA loans, while they can be a longer process, can sometimes offer really great terms. Each one serves a unique purpose.
Okay, let's tie this all together. Because in the fitness world today, which, let's be honest, is super competitive, having access to the right capital is so much more than just having cash on hand. It's about leverage. It's about having a strategic edge.
And this is where it gets really exciting.
This slide shows exactly what that funding unlocks. It's not just about keeping the lights on. It's about being able to invest in better tech, creating an amazing member experience, and attracting the absolute best trainers. All the things that help you totally dominate your local market.
You know, this quote from Jim Thomas just sums it all up perfectly. Funding isn't just money, it's momentum, it's stability. It's the engine that actually drives your vision forward and makes strategic growth possible.
So, the time to act is now. This is your moment to position your business for success. Whether you're just launching, looking to expand the facility you have, or you're ready to acquire another one, getting the right capital in place is the most critical next step you can take.
So if you want to explore your options, and you really should, get in touch with Jim Thomas directly. You can call him at 214-629-7223 or shoot him an email at jthomas@ftmconsulting.net.
And finally, a big thank you to our sponsor, Gym Business Manager. Seriously, if you're on the hunt for the best gym software out there, you have to check them out at gymbusinessmanager.com. Thanks so much for joining us for this explainer.